Hi everyone. Today we're going to open this new toy that we got. It's called Rattlesnake Jig. So basically it's similar to the one that we did, Careful Poodle. So basically, if we like, so if someone like gets bitten or like gets jump scared by this thing, they lose.
Rattlesnake. Jake.
Or like the game ends.
Yes, sir.
And I think the goal is the one like who gets the most gold.
I feel like those
Havana nggak mau buka.
gold are the
I think they're called gold nuggets.
I call them gold dropping.
So each one looks similar to this.
Put these in the trash.
Hello guys, we're back.
Beautiful decoration here.
Okay, so guys, we are done doing this. Don't touch your hand, please. And Minka, so we did this Jake. So we did this Jake rattlesnake thing. We already make it. Mostly Minka. Usually Jake or Jack. I think it's Jake. So basically we lost the instructions and we just made our own rules. So basically, every person that gets a chance to play, they will get one of this and then you use this. Where's the hat? Oh, I think it's yeah. Oh, so you see there.
Okay, everyone gets and then flip.
And then when you're done getting one, you can get flipped. But if you land on this thing, the one with the X,
Next player.
yeah, next player. So basically, if you get this, you cannot get anymore. But if you get this, you can get again.
Havana dulu ya.
Havana you and then after.
Oke, Havana ambil satu. Oke.
No, you can ambil dulu.
Ambil dulu satu, baru ambil koin.
Oke, sekarang itu kayak gini. Kayak gini. Ada kayak gini.
Is it on?
Kayak gini.
Saya tahu.
Just like this. Come, gini. Show, gini, show. So simple.
Harus di flip dong.
But I don't know. Ya kayak gini tadi Hana itu.
Ya udah nggak apa-apa.
Oke, Hana.
Ambil lagi, Ce. Ambil lagi.
Enggak. Yang dua lagi. Oh, yang dua. Memang dua. Oke, sekarang yang lagi.
Oops.
Kalian dapat ini, entar aku pilih roti. Itu mau main nggak?
Udah ulang.
Ah,
Just to take one first.
oh, Havana bisa. Igo. Havana bisa.
Ambil satu deh. Cepat.
Oke, tapi just like do this. Okay.
Nggak kelihatan kamera, Ce.
Oh, oke.
Mesti sideways.
Wow. Okay, so Havana do this. Havana kayak gini. Havana kayak gini. Havana
Dapat.
Havana kayak gini. Kayak gini. Ini. Itu ini dan di bawah ini. Oke.
Yang dapat gold paling banyak dapat Skittles.
Iya, kayak gini ya. Havana. Nah, Havana kayak gini.
Oke, 2 Skittles maximum. Good.
Ya.
Oke, next player. Rodrigo, your turn. Udah.
Ya, ini satu.
Ganti Rodrigo sekarang.
I have to get a gold.
You get both.
Have to get one first, go. And then flip.
Okay, now do this. And then you do like this. Okay. Nothing. I think your hand is bigger than mine.
Good. Apa itu?
Get now.
Another one.
Okay. You stop making suspenseful.
Oh, so far away.
What is it?
Next player.
Another golden nugget?
Next player. Minka Rosie's turn.
Okay, one more.
Okay. Flip.
Come on, do it. No.
Let's try Rattle. It's here, please.
No.
Here's. What? You see Havana? Okay, Missy, go.
Okay, you can.
Hey, come here. You in here? I in here.
Lagi, flip lagi. Jorok tangannya. Kenapa tangannya Minka begitu?
No.
Next player.
What?
No, it's okay.
What my hand?
Gimana tangannya tadi?
Your hand is
X. Havana. Jalan lagi.
This is you right here.
No, I do not want your offer. I do not want you.
Havana.
You.
Ambil dulu satu.
Golden nugget.
Ambil dulu satu.
I give you
Udah.
one golden nugget.
Ah, apa ini?
You? No, it doesn't end.
Hah?
The round doesn't end.
Iya, doesn't end sampai yang habis.
I think you have to put all your golden nuggets back.
Oh gitu.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Because in the box.
Oke, Havana taruh lagi.
Don't get caught by the snake.
Sampai
You might-
habis ya?
You might lose all your golden nuggets.
Sampai habis ya?
Iya.
Oke.
Mana punya Igo?
Oh ini.
Oke, Igo jalan.
Ya, Igo tadi taruh.
Havana, stop. This is why you got caught.
Igo jalan kok. Ambil dulu, ambil.
Igo ambil satu.
Ambil satu dulu baru flip. Oke, flip. Oke.
Yes.
Boleh.
Okay.
X, Minka Ros.
Oh, he's mad now. He's like. Cici Minka. Cici Minka. Okay.
X.
Kenapa? X. I want someone.
Havana jalan lagi. Your turn.
Havana. Havana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Ambil dulu satu.
Ambil dulu satu, babe. Kayak gini. Baby.
Get one first.
Ambil satu dulu.
Ambil satu. Ambil satu. I like ninga singa nih. Ha. Get this one. Yeah. That's cheating.
Flip.
Tidak apa-apa. Gini.
Havana flip. Bukan begitu, nggak boleh begitu.
Sini, ayo flip. Meme. Flip. Tunggu. Hey. Ayah. That's not lipstick, girl. That's not lipstick. That's a
Jorok dong, Me. No, Me. Jorok. Yuk nggak mau main lagi? It's okay. Dia takut ya? Oke.
Your turn. Hi guys.
This is too dangerous for children.
Too scared of this
I'm depressed.
beautiful man.
Havana is.
I'm sorry, children that are watching this.
Let's go.
So she's scared of this
Yes.
going up in front of her like she is depressed.
You berdua aja, you berdua. Ayo.
And Ego is there in the food court right there. Food
Okay.
zone. I mean, yeah, food zone. Be quiet. Okay, so
Why? 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 Papi quản mưa cho trẻ đi. That simple. Papi quản mưa cho trẻ.
Ivory.
Then
You go first.
No, get a golden dropping. Nugget. No, sorry. Two more.
nope.
Next.
Next one. I'm done.
Oke, Rodrigo turn.
Ego.
Rodrigo. Go, duduk. Go in the middle, go.
Get one in the middle.
it's now ego show, not Havana show.
Ntar,
Show your butt.
ntar make sure the iconnya
Did you get
for
another
Havanas
already?
YouTube. There's a word Havana, and then dash on the Havanas
Ego!
Rodrigo.
Minka, ego is 3. You're supposed to have the butt first. Okay.
Satu aja, Go.
Take one shotty.
Okay? Spin.
Look at this. And you do this in the face. Look here. Oh. It's gonna fall in the way.
See, shotty.
Next, next.
Nothing.
It's disgusting. You're disgusting.
Why do you get this?
Because
Hand is cursed.
no, it's because Havana is not here.
Yes, you get one more.
Havana is
Your turn.
Again. Next, Rodrigo.
What first? Remember?
Where's the golden droppings?
In his hand. Hey, Go, what are you doing?
Rodrigo. You're going away from camera,
Mega
Go.
drop. Mega drop. Stand there. Bruh.
Hey, Go, don't stand at the table. Don't show me your butt.
X, player. You don't need to flip so far away.
Is it me? No. Okay, yeah.
Look at me.
X lagi nih.
I know, right? I know.
Oh,
Don't touch me.
again. Oh, again.
The food.
I think Cici Ivory going to win.
Hey, but I'm trying the food joke.
Because I'm fancy. I hope you get bitten.
Spare me, I have only 2.
What is that?
Oh,
Next?
no, not spare you.
Is this an X?
No.
Oh, this
Your
one.
mom did. It's a good.
Oh, that's cheating. Oh, yeah.
That's cheating.
I only first. Heck. Are you kidding? I gotta know.
Rodrigo.
Bozo, Hozo. You're a bozo. Done. I got all of them.
Minka! Minka! I didn't. Here.
I hope therapy gets caught.
No, there. Like this.
You do this.
Ow. Wait, me. It's an X.
Okay, Cici Ivory's turn.
I hope you get caught.
Get caught. Get caught.
Get caught, girl.
Oh, there's one more golden
I win.
Habis.
I win.
So who gets the most? Who gets the most?
Minka! Minka!
What do you have?
Here's an extra. Minka, you got one of mine.
How much do you have though?
At first I got 8, but you took 1, so now I have 7.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's a tie! Because Ego gave her 1!
No.
And I think she had 7!
No.
Please
Like,
subscribe,
share. And you cannot comment down below.
because of technical issues.
Bukan. For kids not comment.
Okay.
Kids video no comment.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Wait, there's one golden nugget on my butt.
Bye bye.